Hello friends, myself Nilesh Subhachan Jain, lecturer at DCS Institute of Pharmacy, Devpur, Dhude. Today we will start the experiment number 14 from Pharmaceutics second subject of diploma course in pharmacy second year. So before going to start experiment, we do the introduction of that mixture. So mixture is a liquid preparation meant for oral administration in which medicament are dissolved or suspended in a suitable vehicle. Classification of mixture: there are five classes of mixture. First, that is simple mixture containing soluble medicament. Second, mixture containing diffusible solid. Third, that is mixture containing indiffusible solid. Fourth, that is mixture containing potent medicament. And last one, that is mixture containing slightly soluble liquid. So let's start the description of this mixture. So first, simple mixture containing soluble substances. So simple mixture which only contains soluble ingredient, that why that mixtures are called as mixture containing soluble substances. Second class, that is a mixture containing diffusible solids. So diffusible solids are insoluble in water, but they get evenly distributed on a shaking the container throughout the liquid for sufficient period of time so that the patient can take medicament by the spoon from container. The medicament available in a right quantity. The example of diffusible solids, that is magnesium carbonate. Then third class, that is mixture containing indiffusible solids. So indiffusible solids are those solids which are not soluble in water and do not remain uniformly distributed in the vehicle for sufficiently long period of time. Therefore, so suspended the drug suspending agent are added. The example of indiffusible solid, that is acetyl salicylic acid. The examples of suspending agent: first, that is compound tragacan powder, and second, that is a tragacan mucilage. The compound tragacan powder is used in the proportion of 2 gram per 100 ml of liquid or vehicle, that is 10 grains per fluid ounce of the mixture. Second, that is a tragacan mucilage in the proportion of 1/4 of total volume of the mixture. The tragacan mucilage is used. The compound tragacan powder is used when the vehicle is other than water or chloroform water, but tragacan mucilage is used when the vehicle is water or tragacan mucilage is used. Then fourth class of mixture, that is mixture containing slightly soluble liquids. In that, the insoluble portion of slightly soluble liquid is not readily diffusible, so suspending agent is needed. For example, compound tragacan powder or tragacan mucilage is used as a suspending agent. Then last class, that is a mixture containing potent medicament. A very small dose is prescribed for a potent medicament which is not directly weighable. So the minimum weighable quantity is used and the required dilution are carried out to give prescribed strength of formulation. The recommended containers for mixture, that is glass bottle with uniform internal diameter, special labeling instruction, that is for mixture with a diffusible and indiffusible solid, that is shake well before use. Then start the experiment number 14. So title of this experiment, that is to prepare and submit mixture containing small dose of potent medicament. Proposition, that is hyoscine hydrobromide, which is a potent medicament. First proposition, that is potent medicament is very active ingredient at a low concentration. And second, that hyoscine hydrobromide used in treatment of Parkinsonism. Learning objective of this experiment, first, that is intellectual skill, in that student will able to understand the purpose of mixture containing small dose of medicament, and motor skill, that is ability to prepare and label mixture correctly. Apparatus which is required for this experiment, that is mortar, pestle, beaker, measuring cylinder, funnel, muslin cloth, etc. Then the prescription. Hyoscine hydrobromide grain 1/150, aquam chloroformine, dracum 2, fiat mistura, signatura, ter dye, sumenda, mitte, 3 fluid ounce. Factor, that is quantity required, that is 90 ml, and prescription given, that is quantity given of 8 ml. So factor, that is 11.25. So 11.25 is calculated when 90/8. The answer is 11.25. So for 8 ml, the hyoscine hydrobromide 0.43 milligram is required, and for 90 ml it requires 4.8 milligram. Then observation table. In observation table there are 5 columns. First, that is type, second column, that is translation, third column, that is a quantity given in a empirical system, fourth column, that is quantity given in a metric system, and last one column, that is quantity taken in a metric system. So hyoscine hydrobromide, which is used in treatment of motion sickness as well as in a Parkinsonism, which is given in a empirical system, that is grain 1/150. The 1/150 grain is nothing but 0.43 milligram, that is quantity in given in metric system. Then last column, that is quantity taken in metric system, that is for 90 ml. So for 90 ml of preparation, hyoscine hydrobromide will require 4.8 milligram. Then chloroform water, which is used as a vehicle as well as it is used as flavoring agent. It gives in empirical system, that is 2 drachm, and quantity given in metric system, that is 8 ml. That is 2 drachm is nothing but 8 ml. 1 drachm is nothing but 4 ml. 2 drachm is nothing but 8 ml. Then quantity taken in a metric system, that is for 90 ml. So up to 90 ml of chloroform water is required to dispense that mixture. Direction for use to be taken 3 times a day. The label of this preparation, that is mixture containing small dose of medicament 90 ml for, that is name of patient, register number, that is number in the register, dispensed by, that is name of pharmacist, date on which date that preparation or that mixture is to be prepared. Then storage condition, that is store in a cool and dark place. Additional direction, that is shake well before use. Direction for use, that is to be taken 3 times a day. And last one, that is manufactured by or manufactured at DCS Institute of Pharmacy, Devpur, Dhude. Now the procedure of this preparation. So let's start with the procedure, that is mixture containing small dose of medicament. So in the procedure, we take 1 grain of hyoscine hydrobromide, which is already weighed, and dissolve that hyoscine hydrobromide in 100 ml of water, that is chloroform water. Then from that mixture we take out 2 drachm of solution, that is 8 ml of solution. Then that 8 ml of mixture transfer into the beaker and diluted up to 90 ml of water or 3 fluid ounce. After diluting with the chloroform water up to 90 ml, transfer the mixture into the dispensing bottle. Then attach the prepare label and submit the preparation. This is the procedure for mixture containing potent medicament. Thank you.